Alright, you about to put it on the lift? Yeah, because we have, let's see, y'all see all of this? Now, the discrepancy is if this is oil or transmission fluid. Y'all see that? Okay, that's not good, number one. But is it oil? It's kind of reddish, right? Now, we got problems with this bypass valve right here. So, what that bypass valve is going to is the transmission, the heater in the transmission. All right, so if transmission fluid is making its way through this bypass valve and ending up in the coolant system, it's very well could cause your issue. Ain't nothing coming out, but it's about to boil. Yeah, see, it's making its way up. Yeah, all right, you can show it's coming up. Taste it.
That's transmission fluid.
That's transmission fluid. This is ZF. What year is it? Yeah, it's a ZF transmission. How you know? It's not red. Transmission fluid is not red on this stuff.
It's brown. You don't smell like brown transmission fluid to you?
It do. Ah, that's transmission fluid. So, all right, we're gonna let it up and take a look at that. Remember that bypass valve is going to the heater on the transmission. So, now if you look at the oil and don't see any kind of coolant in the oil, then yeah, don't always assume it's coolant in the oil or oil in the coolant. Hold tight. So here's the codes, guys. PCM P2643 engine coolant bypass valve, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so what I want to look at is the heater. The heater is over here. Remember, there's a coolant line going to it. But now, did transmission fluid enter that way? What we're gonna do is see if we can get a fluid sample out of this field port on this transmission. Hold tight. Man, shut up, man. This thing is on. I told you nothing gonna come out. That's not a drain plug. That's a field hole.
It's supposed to be
we need
drips.
some. If it was cold, maybe, but the one.
It is cold.
Oh, you haven't started in a while. Damn, we can't get nothing out. Dude, just drop the pan.
Anyway, as you can see, the transmission pan is leaking coolant. Let's go.